Hello guys, this is another video that I would like to show you how to get desired shape of the subject or your client whenever you need to get output of good photos. I'll take you through the steps. It's very simple. First, you need to be having your subject with you, the software that you're using to do editing. That's the subject that I want to work on. Today I want to show you how you can, as they call it, potty, or maybe to manage their tummies to look manageable and look nice, especially to the ladies. It's an issue, especially for the Instagram photos. You need to duplicate your background layer. That's by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then you go under filter. For some Photoshop that are not upgraded, maybe from 2020 and backwards, they are not having the liquify option. So this one maybe applies for Photoshop 2020 up to 2023, 2024 to the upgrade version. It will open you a working window, and this window usually needs to use two tools. That's one, the picker tool and the blot tool. The picker tool will help you shrink back the part that you want to manage. Then the blot tool will help you add to the spaces that you would like to add. As you can see, I'm using the two tools. Thus, I'm using the picker tool and the blot tool. They are user friendly, so as long as you're having a good machine that is performing, it will give you accurate results. Make sure you don't affect other places that you are, as you are doing your transformation. Make sure the subject looks natural and reality. Yeah, you can spice up the game so that the subject to look uniform. Now you can see the preview. That's the before and after. It looks nice. So I think guys, you have learned something from the video. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.